Hi everyone, Paul Long, Timberland Bank, trusted business lender for the South Sound. And in this short video, we're going to talk really quickly about lines of credit. A lot of people use lines of credit inappropriately, and I'm going to show you how a bank really looks at a line of credit. First and foremost, they're really for short-term needs. You never want to put long-term assets on there. So when it comes to maybe you have payroll needs and you have 3 payrolls in a month, that's where a line of credit can be helpful. Pretty much the biggest thing that we want to see when there's a line of credit, if there was a graph, is we would want you, here's the beginning of the loan, we want you to use it, pay it back, use it, pay it back. Maybe pay most of it back, use it, pay it back. We want to see it be at zero at some point during a 12-month cycle. Now, businesses love lines of credit because they're interest only and you don't have to worry about paying principal. However, if you ever do put long-term assets, like some people do, camera equipment, vehicles, that type of stuff on there, you're actually hurting yourself because your line of credit won't be there available when you actually need it for working capital purposes. A lot of people think they should have a line of credit. A lot of people should have a credit card, but a line of credit's a different story. For example, a restaurant. A restaurant should have a credit card to pay for expenses, but it probably doesn't necessarily need a line of credit because their customers actually pay them at the time. So most of the time, these types of lines of credit are for people who maybe are building something, service-based. Maybe they have contracts with the government and it takes 30 days for them to pay. That's where a line of credit is actually what it should be used for. Collateral. For the most part, there are banks out there that do unsecured lines of credit. However, here at Timberland, we actually do look for some sort of collateral. We use either your accounts receivable, your inventory, possibly some real estate in order to have the line. So if you have any questions regarding a line of credit, please reach out to me, Paul, Timberland Bank, trusted business lender for the South Sound. Thank you.